Guys, when I think of cheap headphones, my mind instantly goes back to those flimsy little foam padded things I used to plug my Walkman into back in the day. You know the type, tinny sound, plasticky build, and after 20 minutes your ears are crying out for mercy. But these days things have changed. Today we are taking a look at the NUBWO HD04L gaming headset. And I have to say, this is a perfect example of how far £16 can go. So stick around to see why you don't have to spend a ton of money on a gaming headset to get great sound and quality. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the NUBWO HD04L gaming headset, and I have to say, I wasn't going to mention the price so soon, right? Instead, I was going to leave you guessing till the end, as I wasn't expecting these to be that great at this price. And there are a ton of companies producing cheap headsets. Now, before we get into it, NUBWO sent out this headset to me and asked me to take a look at it and give it my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you get this kind of foam bag with the headset in, and you get some paperwork, and that's it. I mean, these are wired, right? So no cables, no chargers, no adapters. Now guys, straight out of the box, the NUBWO HD04L feels surprisingly decent. It's light, flexible, and yes, whilst it's mostly plastic, it doesn't feel like it's about to fall apart the second you touch it. The ear cups are over the ear rather than on ear, which is great because it helps with immersion and keeps the pressure off your ears. Now, they're not the plushest pads I've ever worn, but you know what? For this price, they're absolutely fine. So you know what? Fit and finish, check. Now, what about the sound? Because, you know, it is a headset after all, right? Well, actually, this was the biggest surprise for me. Now, it's not going to go toe-to-toe with some of the big names, but for 16 quid, the NUBWO actually punches well above its weight. It's not overly bass heavy, which some might see as a downside, but I actually prefer it that way because when the bass isn't thumping, the clarity in the mids and the highs really shines through. Voices, footsteps, you know, all of that kind of stuff, ambient sounds, all come across clean and crisp. And then guys, you have this microphone, right? It flips up neatly when you're not using it, and when you are, it's shockingly clear. None of that talking from inside of a tin can business that you get with most budget headsets. And of course, its wired setup means that it is literally plug and play. And also guys, if you want to travel with it, well, this headset folds down quite neatly, which is dead handy because despite its size, you can fold it up into a very small package. So guys, that about wraps this one up. The NUBWO HD04L is a cost-effective, cheerful, and surprisingly capable gaming headset at around £16 or $19.99 if you're across the pond. I genuinely think it's fantastic value. You're getting solid sound, a surprisingly good mic, and a lightweight design that's perfectly usable for long sessions, all for the price of a takeaway. Yeah, actually, I don't even think you can get takeaway for £16 these days. But anyway, you know, they're all thereabouts. I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to NUBWO for sending me this very cool and folded up capable headset to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.